Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a triangle PQR and with the 90 degrees given, 90 degrees here, sides are given as well, so I'm going to write it down. PQ is 5 cm, QR is 4 cm, and for part A, we are supposed to find PR. So for part A, right, we will have to tap on our knowledge of Pythagoras theorem, where it states that PR square plus QR square, which is in this case 4, is actually equals to 5 square PQ square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so with that, I could then solve for my PR. 4 square is 16, this is 25, so my PR square, I will have to minus 16 on both sides, so that my left hand side no more 16, 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. I will have 25 minus 16 on my right hand side. So this will be equals to 9, and therefore my PR will be the square root of 9. This will give me a value of 3. Okay, so 3 cm. And do notice that I did not consider the negative of square root 9 because PR is a length. So in my working, I did not consider that already. Okay. Next, let's look at part B. So for part B, right? Step 1 is to see what angle we are looking at. So I will have QPR, and that will be this angle that we are looking at. And so with respect to this angle, right, then we must identify accordingly. So for this angle, this will be my hypo. This is my adjacent side because adjacent and hypo make the angle. This will be my opposite side. So for part B, sine angle QPR is simply equals to opposite over hypo, because this is something for us to remember. Trois, quart, so since we need to find the sine, then O divided by H. And what is the length of my O? 4 cm. 4. H is 5. And that is the answer. 4 over 5. That is the ratio that they want expressed in fraction. And for tangent of angle QPR, tangent will be TOA, opposite side, divided by adjacent side. Opposite is again 4. Adjacent side in this case is 3 cm, 3. And that is the answer for part B. And for part C, then we need to look at what angle are we looking at? Oh, we are looking at PQR, PQR. So it is this angle we are talking about, and because now we change to this angle, the H is still the same, H don't change, but adjacent side change because adjacent and hypo make the angle. So now my RQ 4 cm becomes my adjacent side. my PR, 3 cm, becomes my opposite side. So cosine, PQR, cosine is A over H, adjacent is 4, hypo is 5, and we are done. That is the answer in ratio in fraction form. And tangent, PQR, tangent is O divided by A, opposite over adjacent, so it's 3 over 4. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.